What if you could create a significant residual income before you even build your network marketing organization? And all that without prospecting friends and family or even strangers. In this video, I'm going to share with you network marketing prospecting tool that your upline probably cannot teach. Hi, my name is Anna Stroff. I'm going to help network marketers grow their business online without having to prospect strangers or family and create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here every single week I share a new episode helping you with growing your network marketing business. And if you haven't yet, I have a free Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. You can register for that. There's going to be a link in the description of this video. One word that describes this network marketing prospecting tool is leverage. It's attracting your ideal, already interested prospects to come to you so you don't have to be reaching out to your friends and family or bothering strangers sending copy-paste messages. So let's dive in. We're going to talk about old school network marketing. Old school network marketing is pretty much make a list of 100, talk to all of your friends and family, then start reaching out to strangers with copy-paste messages and follow up forever until they say yes or until they block you and tell you no. It's a very time-consuming strategy. Does it work? Yes, it does. There are marketers who have perfected this strategy and it works for them, but it is a very complex strategy and it's not for everyone. Then there are modern strategy, which is building online, utilizing social media. My friend Julie Burke, she recruited 8,300 people into her team within 2 years, and she did it all on social media without having to leave her house and spend time with her 2 boys. Still, the way she was building on social media was pretty much time consuming, and then she learned attraction marketing, or she learned how she can disqualify people who are wrong for her business, who are not a good fit, and to attract only interested prospects and getting conversations with the ones that are super highly qualified. But now you're probably wondering, what is this strategy? It is Facebook advertising. So you're saying, oh, I have to spend money? Well, before you say that, let me tell you, you can create amazing results with spending just like $5 per day. Be very, very conservative. And ads I recommend doing are not sales pitch. They're actually leading with value. What that will do is it will get you in front of the right people. Now, there's 2 types of ads that you can do without prior experience, without having a fancy website or autoresponder or all of those things that are a little more advanced. Number 1 is doing an engagement ad, and number 2 is doing messaging ad. I'll explain both of them to you now. So the engagement ad is you putting a little bit of money on the post that is already giving you lots of engagement on Facebook. And how you do that is you put in a call to action that people ask you for more information. So once people start commenting more info, more information, I'm interested, you will start getting flood of prospects coming to your comment section wanting to know more information. Once one comment is there, you will start getting them every single day. And this can be really conservative. It's just $5 per day. You will start getting these comments and you will always have interested people to talk to that you can then get in the private conversations with. Number 2 is messaging ads. So instead of people commenting, you are going to have a link where it leads them directly to have a conversation with you, either in a messenger or in a WhatsApp app. So people are going to be more targeted towards having a conversation, wanting to learn more, wanting to get in a phone conversation or a video conversation with you, which is amazing. So doing both of those ads in combination, it will give you leads that you will have enough to talk to every single day. You will wake up with the inbox full of people interested in what you have without having to prospect. So this is the number 1 network marketing prospecting tool that your upline cannot teach you. And if you'd like to learn more on how to do that, I suggest starting with my free Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. In there, you will learn how to attract your ideal prospects to you without having to bother family and friends, and message strangers. So in the description of this video or somewhere around this video, there's going to be a link that you can click on and register for this free bootcamp. A question for you today is, have you ever tried using sponsoring ads to build your network marketing business? Drop me in the comments below your answer, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.